In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up the Bitwarden app on your Linux system. Whether you're new to Linux or just exploring different password management options, Bitwarden is an excellent choice. It's known for its robust security features and open source foundation, making it a trustworthy solution for managing your passwords. Let's get started with the installation process. First, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to the official Bitwarden website. You'll find this by searching Bitwarden in your search engine, and it should be one of the top results. The official website is your go-to resource for downloading the app safely, so it's important to ensure you're there. Once you're on the Bitwarden site, look for the Login section. This is typically located in the top area of the homepage. Clicking on Login will direct you to the sign-in page. If you're new to Bitwarden, you'll need to create an account, but if you're already a user, simply sign in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Bitwarden vaults. This is where all your stored data can be accessed. It's always good to take a quick look around, especially if this is your first time. Get familiar with the interface as it will be a central part of your Bitwarden experience. Next, let's proceed to download the app. At the top of the page or in the side menu, you'll find a Downloads button. Click on this to view the available versions of Bitwarden for different platforms. Even though we're focusing on installing on Linux, take a moment to note that Bitwarden supports several other platforms, showing its versatility. You might initially land on a prompt for Windows, but don't let that alarm you. Simply navigate until you find the option for Linux. Once there, select it, and the download process for your Linux system will begin. Now, depending on your Linux distribution, the installation steps might slightly vary. Generally, you will need to open a terminal and follow specific commands to install the application. The Bitwarden website provides detailed command instructions for various distributions, ensuring you have the correct information tailored to your system. By now, Bitwarden should be installed on your Linux system. Remember, good password management doesn't just stop with installation. Keep exploring Bitwarden's features, like password generation and secure note storage, to maximize the security of your digital accounts. And there you have it. Bitwarden installed and set up on Linux. With this powerful tool at your disposal, managing passwords securely on your Linux system has never been easier. Thanks for watching and happy safe browsing.